Hi, my name is Vincenzo Scali and I'm a performance engineer for the Heuer Porsche Formula E team. Today I want to talk about the steering wheel of our racing car. The components of the steering wheel are the same for all the Formula E cars, but actually what makes it special is the software, and this is something we design ourselves. Another part that we design ourselves is the grip. This is very important to assure that the drivers will be able to hold the steering wheel tightly when they hit the curbs or when they are in a fight with other cars. The drivers are very much involved in the design of the steering wheel software, and for example, we need to check with them what do they prefer to have on each of the buttons. There are functions they need to use only once for the entire race, and others they have to toggle every single corner. So it is important for them that the most important functions are right available to their thumbs. Some of the functions that they have on the buttons are common to all race cars. For example, we have functions to adjust the brake balance. Some others instead are specific to the Formula E. One of these is the attack mode activation. It is done via a button on the steering wheel, and thanks to this we get 35 kilowatt hours more driving power, which is very helpful to do overtakes. Another important button is the one for the push to pass, that is used to enable the fan boost that we get thanks to your votes.
Fan boost, fan boost, fan boost.
Also, the paddles are used to toggle some functions, but hey, we cannot talk about this. Some of these are really secrets. The steering wheel components will stay the same through Season 7, but we will take the chance to update the software on the steering wheel every time we find some new functions. Well, I have never driven a Formula E myself, but looking at this, I really want to plug it in and drive away.